Sego Sewa Guego, Sarah Youngyets. I'm a first year student at the Oklahoma Midwives Collective Apprenticeship Program, and I've asked my husband Scott to show us how he makes banana bread.
My name is Scott Peters. I'm going to be making banana bread today. The way I do it is using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I really have no preference, doesn't matter to me. It turns out good anyways when I make it. 1 teaspoon baking powder, baking soda. Mix your dry ingredients. In one bowl, one big bowl. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, all in your mixing bowl here. And then it's all in one separate bowl there. You mix that in a bit. What I'm going to do now is get my 3/4 cups of brown sugar in one bowl with 1/2 cup of butter. And then what I'm going to do with that is just cream it together. And I should have preheated my oven to 350, but I forgot and jumped the gun on that a little bit. But that's not a problem, because this is going to take a while to cream. So what I also need to do in this process is beat my 2 eggs that I have here that I'm going to be putting in.
If I want to use white sugar, would it be the same?
Probably would be, but I don't know. I've only used brown sugar. Two eggs. No shells. Put that together, and that's going to go in with my butter and sugar. Well, with the sugar, I'm sure it won't matter if you use white sugar or brown sugar. I might even try maple sugar on my next one. So I'm getting closer. I'll set my oven to 350. Boom, boom.
Do you always use a butter knife to stir?
Usually. If not a butter knife, I have little plastic ones that I have.
When do you put the bananas in?
Wouldn't be banana bread without the bananas. I forgot to add that to my wet ingredients. So you take about 2.5 cups, which is usually about 3 bananas, right? I guess that would help with banana bread, you know what I mean? And that'll make the consistency a little bit more doughy is what we're looking for. So, whoops. So I should have actually mixed this in with my wet ingredients. Whoops, I've been moving too fast, that's all. So, again, that does make a difference with the bananas. After we put the 2 cups of bananas in, that's what you're gonna look like. 5x9 loaf pan, a little bit of grease. I like to use this stuff. Probably overdid it, but oh well. And then that goes in the oven when it's ready for 1 hour.
So if you were to make it without nuts, you just do the same thing?
Same thing, just no walnuts. I'm going to use the rest of the clean from the bowl, and there's an oven, so been an hour. Been in there, the bread, almost not banana bread. And that's what it'll look like if you can see it after an hour.